Hello and welcome to another episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher and thebullyexposed.com. So, you guys know every day we have an inspirational post that we put up on our Instagram feed. This particular inspirational post is really important to me because though Medusa may be a fictional character, what happened to her is something that we do every day in our everyday lives. So let me read the story. Now, I know there are a lot of different stories of Medusa, but we're going to concentrate on this particular one. Medusa was originally a ravishing, beautiful maiden, the jealous aspirations of many suitors. But because Poseidon had raped her, the enraged Athena transformed Medusa's beautiful hair into serpents and made her face so terrible to behold that the mere sight of it would turn onlookers to stone. This is something that we currently do. When we see victims of bullying, we tell them, maybe if you didn't act so weird, you wouldn't be bullied. Maybe if you were normal, you wouldn't be bullied. And to me, this is the same kind of concept that happened to Medusa. She was raped by Poseidon, according to this story. Athena should have not got outraged. She should have supported her in what occurred. But yet, that's not what happens. We take a victim, whether it be a victim of rape or a victim of bullying, and we make them the victim twice. See, to me, in this story, Poseidon is the bully, Athena is the enabler, and Medusa is the victim. We've learned through storytelling that Medusa was always the evil one, but we learned today that Medusa wasn't the evil one. She was just a victim. So go out there and remember, if you see bullying, speak up and say something. Don't make the victim a victim twice by shaming them into thinking what happened to them was their fault. And I think that's what Athena did in this story. So let's learn from it. That's why we tell stories. So I hope you guys check out our inspirational posts every day. Be sure to smash the heart. Be sure to like them, or most of all, be sure to share them with someone else. Maybe someone you know might be feeling just like Medusa. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher and thebullyexposed.com. Remember, anyone can wear the crown. Anyone can be a hero. Be kind to one another and have a great day.